Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust just launched their biggest campaign ever. They're Rewilding England. The trust is creating nature recovery zones across the county, inspired by David Attenborough's vision for a wilder Britain. They're not just protecting land, they're actively restoring it. Native trees, wetlands, pollinator corridors, grasslands coming back. The goal: connect fragmented habitats so animals can move freely again. A single badger needs up to 200 acres to forage. Right now, they're trapped in isolated patches. These recovery zones link those patches together. The trust manages over 11,000 acres already. This campaign could triple that in 5 years. It's not a nature documentary anymore. It's happening in your backyard. Rewilding isn't just for Africa. It's starting where you live.